This is a filter life controller with programmable feature. Here we will explain its working. The filter life controller has been given a 24 DC SMPS power supply. This programmer has got 3 buttons: positive to increase value, negative to decrease value, and arrow for OK. Now to access control in the system, we will press the OK button for 5 seconds. This P100 will appear. This is password. Now our default password is P111. So we will increase the value to. Now push OK. Now this filter life cycle, which is a default 200 hours, is being shown. We can increase or decrease the filter life time as per our requirement by pressing the or increase value by pressing plus button. This is set. Now we'll push OK. Next is warning time. Warning time we can set between 1 to 99 hours. This warning time alerts you before the filter life reaches its set life. Press OK. Next is auto shut off timer. This can be set between 1 to 99 minutes. It will automatically turn off the machine after the set time. It will avoid the unnecessary running of the machine. Next is to now press OK. Next is to configure the float valve. By 001 we can use any normal or magnetic float. 002 is conductivity sensor. Press OK. It will come to our set filter life cycle of 200 hours. Now if we want to reset the password, we'll have to hold this arrow switch for 5 seconds. Then enter our default password. Press OK. And then press both the buttons minus and plus simultaneously. This P111 start blinking, and now we can reset our password by pressing plus or minus button.